Live from the wok, Mapo Tofu, Chomp style. Ingredients in the description. Sizzle rating, 3. Wok and roll, banana patrol.
Wok hot, oil in, chili bean paste in, fry 20 seconds till it stains the oil red. Garlic and ginger in, ground protein in, stir fry till it's cooked and coated.
Stock in. Soy, tiny sugar. Bring it to a quick simmer, then we add tofu gently.
Tofu in gently, don't smash it. Just fold it through and let it simmer 2 minutes. Slurry in, it goes glossy. Green onion on, optional Sichuan pepper for that tingle. Heat off. Mapo tofu, spicy, saucy, super quick. Wok and roll, banana patrol.
Subscribe, and I'll teach you street food without the street stress.